Good morning, children. In chapter 2, relation and function, first exercise we have completed, that is Cartesian product. Now today we will discuss relation. Okay. So what is this relation? Listen first definition. A relation capital R from a non-empty set capital A to a non-empty set capital B is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. A relation is nothing but it is simply a subset of A cross B. Now meaning, suppose A is having some element, let it be 1, 2. Now B is having elements, let it be A, B. Now already I have told you, if I will tell you to find A cross B, so first element will come from A and second from B. So it is 1, A, then 1, B, then 2, A, then 2, B. So this is elements in A cross B. Now if I will ask you the number of element in A cross B, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now relation. A relation is nothing, number of relation now. Number of relation. Okay. Now a relation is nothing but it is simply a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Now in A cross B 4 elements are there. So how many subsets? That is 2 to the power of 4. So 16 relations are there. So for these two particular sets we will have 16 relations. So this topic will be called as relation. Now two more topics we will discuss. One is domain, another is range. Now domain means the first coordinate. Whenever you are writing a particular coordinate, the first value of x is called domain and value of y is called range. So don't forget this concept. Domain means the value of x and range means the value of y. Like suppose we have written the relation R as 1a, 2b, suppose 3c, like that. So if I will ask you domain, so D of R means domain of relation R. That is nothing but 1, 2 and 3. Now if I will ask you range, so that is nothing but A, B and C. So in second exercise we have to deal with these three topics: relation, domain and range. So here I am solving one question of exercise 2.2, question number 1. See this question. And rest you try to solve, all are same only. Okay, try to solve. Wherever doubt is there, you can ask me. So question is, let A is a set having element 1 to 14. See here, A is a set having element 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Defined by the relation R is equals to x, y such that 3x minus y equals to 0, where x and y both will come from set A. Now question is, write down its domain, codomain and range. We have to write down its domain, codomain and its range. So how to solve this type of question? Solution. First of all, see the definition. 3x minus y equal to 0. So definitely y equal to 3x. Okay. Now directly you can make the relation. Now if I will take x equal to 1, both x and y will come from this set only. If x equal to 1, so y is equal to 3. Correct. Now if x equal to 2, y equal to 6. X equal to 3, y equal to 12. 9. X equal to 4, y equal to 12. We cannot take x equal to 5. Now if we take x equal to 5, y equal to 15. See, 15 is not present in set. So this is the relation only. If this question comes in 4 marks, to write only this part you will get 2 marks. So this is the relation. Now if I will ask you its domain. So domain is value of x 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if I will ask you its range, it is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay. So this is domain and range. Now its codomain. Codomain is the always given set. Whichever set is given, set B is always codomain. So this complete set A is codomain. So in this question only 3 parts I can ask. Now in some question they can ask you about arrow diagram also. Now what is this arrow diagram? It's very easy. See here. You have to make one set A, here set B, set A, set B. Both will come from this only. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 14. In this also 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So when we have taken x equal to 1, y equal to 3. So 1 will relate with 3. 2 will relate with 6. So somewhere 6, so 2 will relate with 6. 3 will relate with 9. Somewhere 9, 3, 9. 4 with 12. Somewhere 12, like this. So this we call as arrow diagram. So this complete set is always codomain. Codomain is 1 to 14 element. You can write directly element 1 to 14 or directly set it. Both are same only. So see this solution. Try to solve this question of exercise second. Wherever doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Okay. Thank you.